Wait, don't scroll for just 10 seconds because if you have been feeling burnout, stuck in your career, or silently alone, this message might be the turning point you have been waiting for. Trust me, this is exactly what I needed when I felt lost. There was a time when I looked successful from the outside, but inside I was mentally exhausted, scared of becoming irrelevant, and honestly, I felt like I had no one to talk you. I was earning well, but every night I slept with a heavy mind. My career looked fine, but I did not feel fine. I kept asking myself, is this really my life? Just work, stress, and no clarity. Maybe you have felt this too. And here is the truth most people avoid. It is not your job that burns you out, it is the lack of clarity, the fear of losing relevance, and the pain of walking your journey alone. We live in the AI era, skill get outdated every few months. The world expects us to keep running, but no one teach us how to stay sane, centered, or aligned. And silently, this become an existential crisis. Who am I becoming? Where am I going? And what is the meaning of all this? So I built what I wish I had back then, space where professionals can grow mentally, spiritually, and digitally together. No pressure, no judgment, just real tools, real clarity, and real people who want a better life. And the best part, you don't have to walk this journey alone anymore. If you are looking for random tips, this community is not for you. But if you are serious about real transformation, your mind, your career, your direction, your inner peace, then I invite you to join this. This is free of cost. Join the Digital Dharma Tribe community, a committed circle of professionals where we share free weekly trainings, live webinars, AI era clarity session, purpose tools, mindset retest practice, real transformation, not just information. You deserve clarity, you deserve growth, you deserve support. Click the link and join us inside. Your next chapter begin with one choice. Make it today.